If you find your account restricted on Kraken, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Kraken account notifications for details regarding the restriction. Understanding the reason behind the restriction is crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including your account number, any transaction ID, and documentation that supports your case. This will help strengthen your appeal. Step 3. Contact Kraken support. Visit the Kraken support page and submit a ticket regarding your account restriction. Provide a clear and concise explanation of your situation, including any evidence you have gathered. Step 4. Be patient. After submitting your appeal, allow some time for Kraken's support team to review your case. Response times may vary, so be patient while waiting for their reply. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up on your appeal. Be polite and reiterate your request for assistance regarding the account restriction. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Kraken. Good luck!